Hey guys, my name is Nicholas. I own a business of 2 food trucks. One is the Golden Sweet Potato Balls and the other one is Pak Kopi, which we sell beverages that are favored among the caffeine lovers nowadays. So the reason why I got into this business is because I always had a dream of opening my own F&B. So beginning at this scale, I guess it's much more easier. We're always on the source for higher quality materials and ingredients, and not forgetting saving as much as possible by performing huge bulk purchases, as prices are actually fluctuating all the time. It's quite a challenge to find someone passionate and responsible enough nowadays. So I actually do hands-on with the business as well, like preparing and operating the business. Just in case things go sideways with some sudden absence of staff on duties. Over 1.5 years, I've noticed appearance of new food trucks increased about 20%. Mainly because I guess it's an easy and flexible entry into this kind of ventures. It's easy to opt into franchising, but you couldn't actually do much of the business decisions. So location is an important factor to this business. So imagine a food truck rental is about 1,500 to 3,000, but you're able to be mobile and you're able to park at a very high traffic places, maybe a prime location valued at 10,000. Imagine the sales possibilities you could get it. Last year was hard, but we are happy that we survived throughout, and we foresee this year would be much more greater, and I might have another food truck coming up soon, so yeah, who knows.